Oh yeah, there you go. This one's a freaking fighter. Oh, it's a freaking pickerel. I just caught a good-sized pickerel on a freaking buzzbait. Got it right through the top of the mouth too. All right, little guy. Calm down. Oh, gross. It's not a bad little pickerel. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here trying to catch whatever can bite. And as you can see, we're off to a pretty good start. Dang it. About 45 minutes had gone by down at that other spot and I hadn't got a bite other than that first one that I caught. So I decided to move up here to another part of the creek. Oh, wow. Not a very big bass, but he fights like he's a big bass. Let's, all right. Cool. And that was on a watermelon red flake lunker log. So a little 1.5 pounds. Not a bad little guy. So put him back and try to catch another one. Okay, so I don't have my gar lure with me, but what I do have is this, which looks fairly similar to it. And I have a 4'8" ultralight rod. So I'm going to cast this out and see if the gar want it. You are not a gar. That's a little yellow perch. Check that out. I wasn't even looking for you. Huh. Well, you're pretty, aren't you? Look at the color of this fish. Some kind of a perch. Got these bright orange fins down here on the bottom. How do I get you out? God. That was neat. Not quite what I was looking for, but I'll take it. Cool. My other camera died and I forgot to charge my batteries, so now we're stuck with this angle from my backup camera that I don't have a chest harness for. This one doesn't have replaceable batteries, so I've got about an hour to catch a couple more fish and wrap up this video. So the gar don't seem overly interested right now. I'm gonna go after the bass again, switch out this worm though. This one's big. This one's big. Oh yeah, this one's a freaking tank. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. That is a good bass. This is what I've been looking for all day. That's what I'm talking about. All right, look at that. Thing is fat. Let's get a weight on it real quick and then put it back. It's a good little 2.5 pounder. Get you back in the water so you can grow bigger. Every bass I've caught, I guess both bass, every fish I've caught today has just been fighting like it's a giant. All right, this one's a little bit smaller, but I'm not gonna say no to another bass. Look at that little guy. Right through the top of the mouth. Come on, let go. I'll say this one's probably solid 6.5 ounces. Real pretty fish though, great color. Oh man, he jumped and spit it. Alright, well, feels like as good a place as any to end this video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click that like button. If you think your friends might like it, maybe consider giving it a share, and if you want to see more, why don't you subscribe? Anyways, I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a good day.